Namaste, Vanakkam, Namaskaram. Welcome back to Swati Ganesh Creations. I hope everyone's doing great. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys a corner makeover which I did with only rejected materials and all my DIYs. So for the first DIY, I'm taking here a cushion cover which I stopped using. I just wanted to make it more colorful. So I'm just traced a kalamkari picture like this and I'm going to give its outline using black paint, and then I'm going to color it. If you guys need a detailed tutorial on how to make your own cushion cover, I have a link to that in my description box. Do check it out. Friends, painting is like a stress buster. You just need to do it with calm and peaceful mind. Only then the outcome would look beautiful. And also you just need some patience. I am just finishing off the painting by putting a white paint in between the black lines which we drew initially. This step would project the picture and make it more attractive. And finally, I am going to stick some mirrors onto the cushion cover. Once the painting is completely done, allow it to dry for 24 hours, then reverse the cushion cover and press it with iron box. You can see how beautifully we can create our traditional looking cushion covers at home. If you guys like this DIY, please let me know in the comment section below. It will mean a lot to me. I have a detailed tutorial on how to make this elephant cushion cover. I'll put a link in the description box. Do check it out. For the next DIY, I am taking a piece of cardboard on which I am going to stick a pattern paper. I am taking an empty cardboard box which I am going to cut like this. And then I am going to cover it up with pattern paper. Now I am going to attach this box to the cardboard with the help of Fevicol. And then I have placed some artificial flowers in this, and then I am going to write here, "Life is beautiful." You can use any font of your style. So now our DIY is complete. Now let's start with the corner makeover with all these rejected materials and DIYs. So the first DIY I am using in the corner is this leaf pleat wall decor which we created in just 10 rupees. I have a detailed tutorial for this. I'll put the link in the description box. You guys can check it out. And then on the side I am hanging this fish which I made from cardboard. I have a detailed tutorial even for this. You can find it in the description box. So there is a shelf on the side in which I am placing this shell craft, and then I'm placing an artificial plant like this. Now I'm taking my DIY glass jar. I have the link to the tutorial in the description box. I'm going to place it over here. Then I'm taking this craft which I made from old oil bottle and I'm going to place it on the top. I have the link to tutorial in the description box. I'm going to place some artificial leaves into the glass jar like this. On the floor I am using a cushion like this, or we can simply use a carpet. I am using my DIY cushions over here. Now I am adding in some extra cushion. Going to add a plant on the side. On the side I am using a basket like this, which I don't use it regularly. I am just going to place it over here and I am going to place some artificial flowers into it. Now I am using a mat like this. I wanted to make a rug. I'll do a rug and I'll post the tutorial shortly. Now I am placing my DIY on the wall with the help of double-sided tape. Now I am placing a bamboo organizer in which I am going to place my glass bottle on which I painted dot mandala. If you want to know how I did it, I will put the link in the description box below. And then I am going to place some books, and that's it. Our look for the corner is ready. So friends, you can see how beautifully we can convert a corner in our house to something beautiful with only DIYs and rejected materials. I hope you guys would have liked this video. If you guys like this video, please give a thumbs up because it motivates me to do more such videos. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. And don't forget to share it with your friends and family. So friends, more interesting videos are coming up, so don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all in the next interesting video. Until then, this is Swati Ganesh signing off. Bye bye. Stay home, stay safe.